This is Quinton Lowe, CSC 110, Winter 2019 for Mr. Wellman. This is Chapter 3, Exercise 12. Here the turtle is imported and the screen is created. And the turtle is named here, and the background color, the shape of the turtle, the color, and the pen color are all changed to match the picture we're recreating. In here I define a function which is used to draw for the turtle to move forward and draw a short line segment before creating a stamp, and then returning to the turtle's original position. And this function has no parameters because the same turtle is used every time. So the pen is pulled up before the turtle moves forward and then placed down again to draw a short line segment. Then the pen is pulled up again and the turtle moves forward a little bit before putting down a stamp and then moves back to its original position. This way, when we repeat this loop, the turtle will always be facing the way it was facing initially. So now the turtle puts down a stamp where it starts, and then in this for loop, we use line stamp each time, and then the turtle turns slightly to the left so that a circle pattern is created, and it is 12 times so that it'll match the picture that we were making. So we can see the initial stamp and also the line and stamp that is made each time, along with the change in angle that happens each time the loop is done.